Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's do it. And as you can see, here we've got the camera which is set on the photo mode. If it is highlighted in this yellowish color, it means that for sure you're on it. So now we can open the settings, the options. So we have to tap on the three bars icon, and as you can see, this bar will simply slide down and the second option is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options to choose from. We've got the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So basically, in order to set the delay, we have to tap on it. So for example, 10 seconds, since it is highlighted, we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will right now count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back here and tap on this clock icon, which will be highlighted in this greenish color. Not greenish, grayish. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.